Short oval press-on nails with designs kit. Package contains 24 pieces oval fake nails in 10 sizes, 1 piece nail glue, 24 pieces jelly glue, 1 piece mini nail file, 1 piece cuticle stick, 2 pieces clean pad. Teenitor fake nails with glue can get your favorite manicure in just 5 minutes without waiting at the nail salon. Watercolor drip press on oval nails. If you don't mind or maybe even appreciate a little slime, the latest trend in manicure designs, drip nail art was made for you. How about some watercolor drip press on nails? These are so much more bright, good for all year. Short oval press on fake nails. Oval press on nails are impossible not to love. They're refined, chic, and very feminine. Oval press on nails mirror the natural shape of your nail, and they are very sought after because they elongate your fingers. With the elegance of oval press-on nails, they pair very nicely with warm pastel tones. High-quality oval acrylic nails press-on, short length, oval shape, trend fashion oval press-on nails. Oval press-on nails suit any type of fingers, short or long, because the tips of the nails resemble the natural shape of the natural nails. All Teenitor press-on nail sets offer high-quality salon style and feature protective UV coating, to ensure your nails will never break or split. Reusable with up to 3 weeks per wear. Glue and jelly glue are both included in this press nail kit. Durability of jelly glue is not as good as liquid glue, but it makes fake nails reusable. You can apply fake nails in 2 super easy ways, either by using the nail glue or adhesive tabs. This reusable nail set can be trimmed, filed, or polished to your liking. Top reviews from the United States. Look hand-painted. I love that these look hand-painted, like you went to the salon and paid for an expensive set. Design is great and very vivid. The fit is very nice and the edges aren't sharp like some. If you follow the directions, they stay on for a long time. Mine have been on for over a week now, which is great for press-ons.